Trying again to reverse the bracketed command. We might be able to surface a signal from the command center or a random news truck.
With that, we could.
Huzzah!
And hooray!
We are once again able to communicate with the law-abiding ones. Okay.
Okay, tell them our situation is dire.
Stand by for immediate airlift.
Thank gods and goddesses. No. No! They must be possessed by the Zorn of Zernar if they truly expect the priestess to comply.
Agent leads board the first helicopter. This is an order.
I care not! The priestess shall not save her own life whilst leaving the jackal in peril.
All right, listen up, everyone. We got a chopper on the way. We're gonna start evacuating everyone, so please start lining up.
I want Lulu on the first flight. No, she's delusional. We're going together.
And get a VIP seat on the first flight out, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, take care.
Elizabeth, you hear that? We're gonna go home. We'll get you home to your boys.
Just don't leave me.
Carly, what the hell are you doing? You can't get out that way.
I have to find Jack.
You can't get out of there that way.
Well, then I will find a way.
There is no way. Move.
Do we know where the pilot is?
Not as yet!
They seem undeterred by the previous crash.
Oh, wait, look! They're losing control!
Everybody stand back. Stand back.
Come on, whoever you are.
Steady. Easy does it.
Put my tax dollars to work. Okay, got a landing place.
Oh my goodness, it's the White Knight.
Where's Carly? We're not sure. What do you mean you're not sure? Is she all right?
She's looking for you. I think she used the stairwells to get down.
Okay, well, let's get these people where they need to go. Can you walk? You have to coordinate your next. Get you going. Be careful.
No, others deserve the scene far more than I. My health isn't even compromised in the slightest.
Just like I ignored my instincts and followed orders regarding the biotoxin, so you have to follow your superiors.
No, I fear for your safety.
I am resourceful.
You're fearless and true and promise me that you'll survive.
Hey, this is it. You'll be safe now.
Come with me.
You just keep thinking about Cameron and Jake. We've been through worse than this. Be fine.
I'm not gonna go sit and wait for a rescue that's never gonna happen.
It's already happened, and you've got to get out of here.
Leave me alone.
No, I'm not going to let you kill yourself. Move!